Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the daily candle, what it's showing us here. After yesterday, that candle here, that one here, which is going now, it's showing a red, but there is no power here. As we said it also, we tell it to you when Saturday starts, and also today we are in Sunday. We told you Saturday and Sunday there is no volume, and as you see it, and what also we told you guys here at that level here where we are, we told you the Bitcoin is going to do like that, then after that it's going to fall down. That's what it did. We told it there is a going up, after that a falling down, and that is going to happen in Monday. Then you're going to see a big moving up, guys. Remember those things I'm telling you? The Bitcoin, that's what it's going to do, guys, here. It's going to do it like that. See it or no? That's what it's going to do in the coming days, guys. And another thing here, what we still have here that inside bar, that one, and here, the lower of it. Until now, there is no candle breaking up, guys. And me personally, I think there is a falling down tomorrow Monday, because tomorrow Monday is going to tell you either that Bit or the cryptocurrency world or the Bitcoin is going to fall down or to go up. How? If tomorrow Monday, guys, a red candle came like that, pushing down, that means all the week is going to be going up, like how it happened here. If you remember, people they been following us. That's Monday. That red candle here. Is it for Monday, guys? And another story, if it came in Monday, a green candle, and do it like that, going up, that means all the week you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down, guys. Everything is too clear? You get the picture or no? By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscribed, my friend? Yes, I'm talking to you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing exactly now, guys. It's not hard, my friend. It's just a red button down. Click at it. You're going to become subscribed. Next to it, a bell. Turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So here in the daily, guys, there is nothing special here. Now it's going to say our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, that indicator of us, guys, as you see it, we still here in that level and down here, and that's what I told you before. I told you either it's going to give us 3 in the top like that and 2 down, then maybe we're going to see it going up, because now also we are in a sideways market here till tomorrow, guys. Then we see what's going to happen. And by the way, that week is the start of the month, and even the monthly candle is going to finish, so you need to be worried about what's going to happen. And there is the Fed meeting, the Fed conference. There is a lot of data is going to come, guys. And even the inflation. So you need to be worried about those things. So be careful those days, guys. And I'm going to come back every time to you and update you. So it's very, very, very simple, guys. By the way, I know you are subscribers. Smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Helping us. You know that channel without you and you it can growing up. So go down and smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. I think everything is too clear here. So here in our indicator, guys, also here we are in the control of the bulls, and here in the daily it's showing us we are going up and we are in an uptrend. So let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see it, you see that level here, how stronger it is, guys. Saw it or no? Till now we couldn't even break it higher. Yes or no? And people they been following us. We enter from here long till here, and we enter another long from here, from that candle here till here. Yes or no? All those times I told you to enter. Now what the Bitcoin is showing here, guys, as you see it fall down here, because look at it. If you came here like that and you could do it like that, that here a high and here down a low. Now for us to know is an uptrend, it needs to give us another high, guys. That means it needs to break for us that last high, which is here, that one. Did it did it? No, my friend, there is not yet, because look at it. Bitcoin, it came to that level and it couldn't break it, and it showed there now a rejection, as you see it. So now what shall we do? Nothing, my friend. We just need to wait in either to break up here, that means Bitcoin will go higher more than that, or from here to give us, as I tell you in the previous videos, to give us here a double top like that, guys. If it give us a double top like that, it came breaking for us down here, we are going to enter short, guys, because everything till now it's based on the 4 hours. Even for long-term investment, you need to see what the Bitcoin doing exactly in the 4 hours. Yes, I know the weekly is going to close bullish candle, but we need to wait in the correction which is going to happen here in the 4 hours, guys. You need to wait in that correction which is going to happen here to enter long. Everything is too clear, because me personally, I think in Monday there is a correction going to happen, either down or either up, guys. So you need to wait it exactly where it's going to go. I think everything is too clear, guys. And here in my chart, guys, what I got me, let me show it to you. Same thing. When it's breaking for us the top of that channel here, if you see it, it came upward till here, then it fell down here, it tested again. Now for us to know that breaking which is happening here in that zone, is it a real breakout, not a fake breakout? It's need Bitcoin to break for us that last high which is here. Till now it doesn't do it, so till now us we still doubting that one is a real breakout, guys. Everything is too clear. So be careful, guys. It's the moment of waiting. Not yet. Wait a little bit. Remember my word. Wait a little bit. What here in the 4 hours the Bitcoin is going to do? Either to fall down or either to break upward. Everything is too clear. And I'm going to come back to you guys after the daily candle finish it. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you remember, also when we enter here, we said take profit. Yes or no? And I'll show you that one, guys. I'll show you that one. If you see it here, what it's showing you? Here high and here low. In the chart, both of them, they are like that. Both of them, they are equal like that. Yes or no? There is something not right here, guys. Yes or no? So now let's wait in that one, because that one is going to touch here the trend line, that up trend line. Then after that, we're going to see if it's going to go higher again or it's going to break it and go lower, guys, to down. I think everything is too clear. So now let's wait, guys, either to come down to touch here that level, then after that to go upward. And also here we are in the control of the bulls, guys. As I showed you before, in the daily we are in the control of the bulls. Here in the 4 hours also we are in the control of the bulls. So both that mean people they want to buy or the Bitcoin is going higher. But here in that one, that will make me worried, guys, as you see it. Something not right here, because the momentum here, you see when the Bitcoin was going up, the momentum it came very stronger. But now here in that zone, the last peak, there is no momentum, guys. That means it might all that it just market makers play or manipulation. So be worried, my friend, and look closely what the week is going to bring for us. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, I'll show you yesterday we got here a small divergence here, as you see it. And also here, we are at the overbought area, as you see it. And we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone, guys, as you see it here. Should we enter short, guys? Not yet. There is no price action here indicating for us to enter short. As you remember, look here, when it entered the oversold, from here, from that zone, till down here. There is a going up, guys, but we don't know. Maybe after a correction to happen down. Because a correction, there is a correction going to come. And that's what me I told you for long-term investment. Waiting the correction to happen, then you enter, guys. Waiting the correction to happen, then you enter long, because the weekly is going to tell you to enter, and that week even the monthly candle is going to finish. So here there is no price action, guys. Only price action you have is that one. You came like that, you draw it like that, you can do it. It's like a wage. If it came down here and breaking down, you can enter short. But if it's breaking down, that means it's going to give you here a double top like that, guys, like how it gave it to us here in that zone, and also we enter short till here down. But now here there is no price action indicating for us the market is going to fall down, guys. So we need to wait till the market talking to us, guys. Yes, you're going to enter late, but you're going to enter in the safe side, my friend, not just throwing the money from the window. I know some people they told you to enter short from here. That's not right. It might you enter from here and Bitcoin is going to continue upward, because the price action when it came, it doesn't repent, guys. You know what I'm saying or no? Everything is too clear here. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you, and if there is any scalping or day trading opportunity for tomorrow maybe. So let's go in there to see what is it there, guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, what did I told you here? If you remember, I had two videos. The last video is Saturday. I told you we used to have here a wage like that. I told you when it's breaking here, in that zone here, we need to enter short. Look there when we went, guys. We make nice profit from it. And what did I told you else? People, they been following me. What did I told you here? I told you got here a head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? Where it's breaking here. So from here you enter, look at it. Till now you are in profit. Yes or no? And what we said here about the 200 moving average, guys. Look at it. Let me show it to you. What else we said about the 200 moving average, guys? The 200 moving average here, the good news about it, it's trending up. Yes or no? Yes, now it started showing, resting, but not that much. And the 200 moving average here, it's reacting like a very stronger support. As you see it, every time the price came to touch it, from it, it bounced up. As you see it. Now, it came to a hit, guys. We need to make a close eye here, either to break it down or from here to bounce up and to break for us the last high here. Now, people, they enter short. What should we do, guys? Let's see our indicators. Our indicators, they will tell us what we will do. Our indicator is telling us the people they enter short, they should start thinking of to take some profit. You see it or no? Because our indicator is here down at the oversold area. And what did I told you here? If you remember, I told you bring that peak and that peak. There is a divergence, guys, here. You see it or no? The divergence there. Because that peak is here and that one is here. There is a divergence there. And us here, we are at the oversold. Now, what we need to looking for, guys? We need to looking for a buy opportunity. Level, you are in the 200 moving average. And the 200 moving average, every time, now it's reacting like a support. Yes or no? Second thing, our indicator is set at the oversold area. Third things, we need a price action here. What is the price action? Look with me here. Here, it give us a W, guys. Now, if it came and breaking for us the top of that W, us we are going to enter long, guys. Here in 30 minutes. Remember that. Here in 30 minutes, it's giving us here. We need to buy, guys. Remember that. Here in 30 minutes, it's given us, we need to buy. In the 4 hours, no. Remember those things very, very, very well, my friend. I think everything is too clear, guys. So, that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.